There's a notion of growing your business for you sometimes become a big headache and insurmountable objective. Now, what if I told you there are only 3 ways to grow any business? My name is Mac and I help business owners to grow and scale their business to 7 figures so they have more money, more time, and more freedom. So let's talk about these 3 ways. Now, many years ago when I learned this, I didn't know. My first business was struggling for many, many years. But once I realized there's only 3 ways to grow any business, then it became easier. Let me break it down to you. The first thing is you have to become very good at sales and marketing. That's the first thing. I'll touch on that again in a moment. Number 2, you have to be able to manage your finance and administration. So you need yourself or your team to manage your finance and administration. And number 3, the operations of your business. Whatever the operation is, you need to make it slicker, much better, more efficient. So let's talk about sales and marketing. So when it comes to sales and marketing, you need to understand from a marketing perspective, we want to identify and attract the right clientele, the right prospects to us. And when they come from a sales angle, we need to know how to understand what their needs are and close them into a client. So you need to be very good at that. That's one way to grow your business. The second way, as I said, is finance and admin. Do you have a process in place that you know how much money is coming in, how much money is going out without having to look at your bank account? You know, who's doing your numbers? Who's doing your bookkeeping? You need to have someone dedicated to doing that. So you can know how profitable you are and how much cash flow you have coming in week after week and project into the future in terms of the number of clients coming in, how much they're spending, what your expenses are, so you know exactly where you are. Number 3, what is your operation? Understand any operation to be even better needs processes and systems that your staff, your team can follow. And the more efficient your processes are, the more efficient your team will be. That means you can deliver and fulfill to your clients and they're happier. And if they're happier, guess what? They'll tell other people and they'll repeat their orders as well because they are getting a consistent outcome every time they interact with you and order from your business. So those are 3 ways to grow your business. And if you want to grow your business and you want to move to the next level, come and join me in my private Facebook community where I show you exactly how to do that. So click below and I'll see you inside.
Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end as well. And as entrepreneurs, I know we're very, very busy. So for you taking time out to watch this video, it means a lot to me. So thank you. And the reason why I do these videos is simply to support entrepreneurs, give them tools, strategies, techniques that will help them to have a healthier, wealthier, and more successful life and a happier life as well. So if you enjoyed this video, what I want you to do is do me a little favor, please. Share this video with someone who you think also could get some kind of motivation, some kind of inspiration from these words. And I think together we can impact the world or change lives for people. So just share it with them. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you. Mac, much love. Take care. Bye for now.